Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The MHCT examination was just conducted and the results are to be announced also. And a lot of students reach out to us to understand at the rank that they're likely to get, what is the kind of branch and college that they would be getting based on last year's data. And what we're compiling here is from 1 to 30,000 in three batches of 1 to 10,000, 10 to 20,000 and 20,000 to 30,000, the ranks and what are the branches and college combinations that you can get between these rank ranges. And before I start further, three requests that I always have for you. One, please do subscribe to BTech 360. Two, if you want me to cover any other college or any other issue that you have, please write to me in the message box. We'll try to pick it up. And three, for this particular series, we partnered with University of Bristol, which is actually setting up a campus in Mumbai. The University of Bristol was established in 1876 in UK, London. And after that, they now are setting up a campus in Mumbai, which is approved by UGC, which is Universities Grants Commission, and the Government of India. They're giving a degree which is UGC approved in India, while this degree is also globally reputable because wherever you go in the world, this becomes a degree that it's very, very valid. So they're setting up a campus in Mumbai, and we partnered with them to ensure that the students take the right information, right decision based on data and information. And thank you so much, University of Bristol, for partnering with us in this endeavor. Now about MHTCET, and we talked of 1 to 30,000. And besides that, one of the things that we are also doing is we are also creating an online webinar once the results are announced. Once the results are announced, then you will have the score and rank in your hand. Please do and register for the webinar. The link is in the comment section. The first comment is the link that you have, where you can register for the webinar and you can ask questions personally to any of our counselors. The idea for us, the objective for us is to ensure that you get into the best college possible based on your score and rank. And for that, we'll do everything possible. Please do register for the webinar. And people who are registering here are also getting a lot of free perks in terms of a lot of colleges are now willing to give it to our students, free application processes and all. You can also avail those services also if you have to register for the webinar. So now what we'll do is we'll again talk of the 10 to 20,000 rank bracket is what we're working on. And how do we structure the data? We actually are talking of MHTCET 2025 cutoffs. So remember, it is last year's data that we're talking of. And all branches under 20,000 is what we're covering in this thing for the open rank. That's very important for you to know. We are only talking of the open rank here. We're not talking of the category ranks. Category ranks also all here. But the rank between 10,000 and 20,000 in the open category, what are the college plus branch choices is what you're likely to get is what we're covering here. And how do we structure the data? We actually talk of the college name and the program. This becomes one choice for you. So a college with multiple branches can be there, a branch with multiple colleges would be there, you know that. So this is one choice for you because your choice filling in MHCT counseling also would be exactly the same. So that's where we are talking about that. We're talking of the open category highest closing cutoff rank that was there last year. Now 1 to 10,000 we already covered. Now we're covering 10,000 to 20,000 rank band, right? OBC rank is there, SC rank is there, SCBC rank is there, and ST rank is there. I'll read out the open category rank and a few of the other category ranks also. If anyone wants it, please take a screenshot of this so that you are better informed about many things, right? So these are the data sets that we have. So, and we're talking of rank band 10,000 to 20,000. Now, Government College of Engineering Amravati has BTech CSE at 10,017. If you remember, in the 1 to 10,000, the good college, which is the VJTI, COEP, SPIT, all these things are almost done. We're now talking of the next bunch, right? Then you actually have Father Conchacio Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Electronics and Computer Science at 10,313. Earlier we saw CSE in the 1 to 10,000 rank for the same college. Then you have PVGS College of Engineering, BTech AI and Data Science at 10,332. Again, PVGS College of Engineering and Technology, B Information Technology at 10,442. OBC is 10,849, SC is 29,092, SCBC is 12,636, and ST is 1,06,795. Then you have Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, B Computer Engineering at 10,886. Then you have ASSMS College of Engineering, Pune, B Computer Engineering at 10,931. OBC is 11,929 and SC is 29,405 and so on and so forth. You can look at that, right? Then you have Institute of Chemical ICT Mumbai, BTech Fibers and Textile Processing Technology, where it closed at 10,961 for open category. Father Rodriguez Institute of Technology, B Computer Engineering at 11,278 we closed. Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Tatawade, B Tech Computer Engineering at 11,324. KJ Somaya closed it for B Tech CE at 11,415 last year. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, B Mechanical closed at 11,415. Pimpri Chinchwad, B. Computer Engineering closed at 11,642. It is very strange because if you now notice, the two different institutes, by the way. All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, B. Computer Engineering at 11,826. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, B. Tech Mechanical at 11,994. Then we have Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, Chembur, B. Electronics and Telecommunication, 12,013. Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, B. CSE at 12,085. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, B. Computer CSE at 12,316. Government College of Engineering, B.Tech Electronics and Telecom is 12,387. Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, B. CSE at 12,480. Vidyalankar, B. Information Technology at 12,597. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vishnupuri at B.Tech CSE at 12,660. And you also have the category ranks here. Take a screenshot if you wish to. Then you have Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Pune, B. Information Technology at 12,667. Father C. Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai, B. Computer CSE at 12,975. Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Tatawade, B.Tech IT at 13,304. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, B. Electronics and Telecommunications at 13,346. PVG College of Engineering, B. Electronics and Telecommunication at 13,471. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, 13,550 for B. Information Technology. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, B. AI and Machine Learning at 13,595. Government College of Engineering, Amravati, B.Tech Information Technology at 13,634. All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, B. Information Technology at 13,921. Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Tatawade, B.Tech Computer Science Engineering at 13,931. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, B. Information Technology at 14,033. Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pune, B. Data Science with AI is 14,206. International Institute of Information Technology, Pune, B. Computer CSE at 14,254. All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institution of Information Technology, B.Tech AI and Data Science at 14,004. Then you have Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Pune, B. Electronics and Telecommunication at 14,463. MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune, B.Tech CSE at 14,555. Lakshmi Narayan Innovation Technology University, Nagpur, B.Tech Chemical at 14,687. KK Wag Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik, B. Computer Engineering at 14,761. Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, B. Information Technology at 15,161. KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, B.Tech Computer Science Engineering at 15,251. KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, 15,353 for Biotechnology. And you also have the category ranks. Please note down and take a screenshot if you wish to. Then you have Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Engineering, Pune, for B. Computer Engineering at 15,434. SIES Graduate School of Technology, Navi Mumbai, B.Tech Computer Engineering at 15,601. Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, B. Electronics and Computer Science at 15,637. Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, B. Mechanical at 15,652. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vishnupuri, B.Tech IT at 15,865. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, B. Electronics and Telecommunication at 16,101. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, 16,287 for B.Tech Instrumentation and Control Engineering. Then you have Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune, B. Civil Engineering at 16,407. OBC is 18,468, SC is 39,446, SCBC is 18,976, and ST is 96,344. KJ Soma Institute of Engineering and Technology, B.Tech IT at 16,625. Government College of Engineering, Karad, B.Tech Mechanical at 16,697, 21,597 for OBC, 39,686 for SC. International Institute of Information Technology, Pune, B. Information Technology at 16,792. MIT Academy of Engineering, B.Tech AI and Machine Learning at 16,797. PE Society's Modern College of Engineering, Pune, B.Tech Computer Engineering at 17,082. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, B. Robotics and Automation at 17,109. Government College of Engineering, Amravati, B.Tech Electronics and Telecommunications at 17,151. Thakur College of Engineering Technology, Pune, B. AI and Data Science at 17,188. Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Tatawade, B. Electronics and Telecommunication at 17,317. MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune, B.Tech IT at 17,440. Yeshwantrao Chavan College of Engineering, Nagpur, B. Computer Science at 17,490. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, B. AI and Machine Learning at 17,663. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, B. Mechanical at 17,600. Government College of Engineering, Karad, B.Tech Electrical Engineering at 17,710. KJ Soma Institute of Engineering and Technology, B. AI and Data Science at 17,779. All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, B. Electronics and Telecommunication at 18175. MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune's BTech Software Engineering at 18213. Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, Shambur, B. Automation and Robotics at 18260. MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune, BTech Data Science at 18279. Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, B. Electronics and Telecommunications at 18330. Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Engineering, Pune, B. Information Technology at 18433. P. Society's Modern College of Engineering, BTech AI and Machine Learning at 18739. International Institute of Information Technology, B. Electronics and Telecommunications at 19052. SI's Graduate School of Technology, Navi Mumbai, B. AI and Machine Learning at 19078. P. Society's Modern College of Engineering, Pune, BTech Information Technology at 19121. Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Computer Engineering at 19165. Father C. Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai, BE Electronics and Telecommunication at 19186. St. Francis Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Computer Engineering at 19345. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, BE Electronics and Telecommunication at 19393. Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE AI and Machine Learning at 19406. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Civil Engineering at 19436. PE Society's Modern College of Engineering, Pune, BTech AI and Data Sciences 19559. Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Engineering, Pune, BE AI and Data Science at 19564. KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, BTech AI and Machine Learning at 19676. Then you have St. Francis Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE AI and Machine Learning at 19692. SI's Graduate School of Technology, Navi Mumbai, BE AI and Data Science at 19880. KK Gowag Institute of Engineering and Education and Research, Nashik, B. Information Technology at 19922. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, B. Computer Science Engineering, Cybersecurity at 20076. This is the list of 88 colleges that we talked to you, colleges and branches option, from the rank bracket of 10,000 to 20,000. We already covered 1 to 10,000. We also covered the CSE branch only, top 30 colleges, electronics and EEE branches for the top 30 colleges and what are the cutoffs that you have across all the things. CSE and allied also we covered, EEE, electronics, and all those things also we covered. We also covered mechanical. We covered the 1 to 10,000 rank band. Now we're covering 10,000 to 20,000 rank band. We'll also cover a few other rank bands as we move along. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box. I'll be happy to do that. And I must thank our university partner, University of Bristol, because who we partnered with to ensure that all students take the most informed decision based on information and data. And thank you, University of Bristol, for doing that. Thank you so much. Namaste.